Hi guys, welcome to your Autumn Farm Collective. I'm Adam, the head chef at Glenardi Road, and today we're going to be cooking lamb kofta with fattoush salad with a tahini dressing and labneh. Firstly, guys, we're going to make our labneh by combining our yogurt with our lemon zest and salt. Then we're just going to hang that overnight over a sieve with some muslin cloth or some chucks cloth. Going to leave that in a refrigerator overnight, and that will just remove any excess whey to give us a nice thick labneh. Next up, guys, we're going to make our lavash crackers for our fattoush salad. Firstly, we'll wash and finely chop our rosemary. Then we're just going to add our wet ingredients into our stand mixer. Always important to go wet and then dry, just so it combines nicely and doesn't stick to the sides. We're just going to do that on a low speed with a dough hook in our stand mixer till you get a nice smooth dough, and then we're going to wrap and rest that for 30 minutes. So once our dough is rested, we're going to roll it through our pasta machine. Just break your dough into 4 even pieces, and we're just going to take it through our pasta machine to number 5. We're going to split that into nice 3 even lengths, and on our lined baking trays, we're just going to drizzle that with some olive oil and salt and bake at 170 degrees for about 8 to 12 minutes or until it's golden and crispy. Next up, guys, we're going to make our lamb koftas. Firstly, we're going to finely dice our onion and our garlic and combine that in our stand mixer with our lamb mince and our spices. Best to use a lean cut of lamb, like a lamb leg like we've used. Using a paddle attachment, we're going to whip that nice and fast just so the mix emulsifies. And then we're going to roll that out into evenly sized pieces, and we're going to thread that onto our skewers and leave that in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours to set before we barbecue. Next up, guys, we're going to make our tahini dressing. Really just combine all the ingredients together and just whisk until it's emulsified. We're going to prepare our fattoush salad. Firstly, you just want to nicely wash and drain all your veggies, and then just roughly chop your tomatoes, peel and roughly dice your cucumbers, finely slice your spring onions. Mix everything together with your nicely washed herbs. Crush up your lavash crackers in with your salad. Add your tahini dressing and give it a toss. Finish the salad with the satar spice that you find in your seasonal box. We're going to barbecue our koftas. We're just going to drizzle them with a bit of olive oil and salt, just on a nice high heat on the barbecue. And this should take about 8 to 10 minutes, just rotating nice and frequently so you get sort of nice even caramelization and they cook through. It goes really nicely with a big dollop of labneh, say 3 or 4 skewers, it's a nice piece of salad and some fresh lemon. Otherwise, sharing style, just all down in the middle of the table and everyone helps themselves. Enjoy.